Dog cute TikTok videos.
Here's the bill for the
Enjoy
vet today.
watching.
Not really sure how you're going to pay that one. You do actually live here rent-free. I do buy your groceries, so maybe get a job, contribute to society a little bit. This is getting ridiculous, dude.
Get my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that happy. Oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
It's the motherfucking DRE. Dr. Dre, motherfucker. You know.
The cute dog in this video is Lucy. Lucy is very clever. She is a professional driver. She she enjoying dancing? Lucy is actually a smart dog. She knows how to write. During her spare time, she always watches movies with her mother at home. She likes go shopping, and she always helps her mother to buy some food from the market. Lucy knows the importance of protecting the environment. She always helps the cleaners to clean up the rubbish on the road and throw it into the trash can. Lucy is very kind. She always takes good care of her mother when her mother got sick. Lucy is very smart and cute. She is very kind. Do you like her?